Welcome back, everyone. Mr. Short again. This is Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 6, Lesson 2. Again, with your homework tonight, this is page 11. Your homework's not on page 11. All right, you can see that right there, page 11. Your homework's not on it, but this page here is going to help you answer every homework question you have, even better than I can, because it's already there for you. All right, so make sure that you are paying attention to this. Let this help you. It's going to show you everything you need to do it. I'll go back and forth and show you how you can use it, but I just hope you have it. Again, you got friends in other schools, hey, send them Mr. Short's videos. Tell them to subscribe and like, because if you're in my class, it's going to help you get rewards. And if you're not, well, it's just going to help me do more videos so I can be here more for you guys. All right. We're on page 13. This is lesson 2, homework help, Eureka Math Squared. It says complete the table, use your right angle tool. Well, if you don't have a right angle tool, we're going to talk about how to get around that. It says size compared to a right angle. Same size, smaller than, larger than. So the angle is marked here. What does this symbol mean? I've taught my class that symbol always means it's a perfect right angle. If you see this little box, it's a perfect right angle. If you have your right angle tool, I don't have one, but I know the corner of a page is a perfect right angle. I can take this page, put it right in there, and see that is a perfect right angle right there. Nice, square, 90-degree turn. So if I look at the size compared to a right angle, is it the same size, smaller than or larger than? This would be same size. Okay. Type of angle, right angle, acute angle, obtuse angle. Remember, right angle means there's a squares there. Acute, remember, I think of it like something that's little and cute, which means it's smaller than a right angle. And obtuse is bigger than a right angle. So we know this one is our right. And if you want to, you should put the word angle on there. Okay. Our next one. Remember, actually, the rest, you guys, if you use this paper right here, there's an example of all of these to help you. Okay? All of them are here to help you. I'm going to show you the angle on everyone, though. Okay? This is what we're talking about here at point B. All right? Number 3, we're talking about this one right here. And number 4, we're talking about that angle right there. Those are the ones. Oops, sorry, 4 is right there. Can do it better. I need to zoom out, but I need to stay zoomed in so you guys can see too. That's the angle for 4. So here's 4's angle we're talking about, 3's angle we're talking about, and 2's angle we're talking about. Okay? Use the other page to help you out. Okay? And then on the back, subtraction problem. Set it up, standard algorithm, big number on top, little number on bottom. Do it somewhere else if you need to down here, and then have that one help you. Hey, tonight's was quick. I hope this worked out for you. I hope you have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow.